Ian is 37 years old. He's married with 2 kids, and he's been very focused on paying off his mortgage and saving for retirement, a phase of his life he expects to start when he's 55. The problem is that while he's been a great saver, his portfolio is unfocused, has some high-fee products, and is higher maintenance than he'd like. It's a bit of a grab bag of Canadian stocks, US and global equity funds, fixed income ETFs, and GICs. He wants a focused plan that he can set and forget. Miles Klein is with McDougall Investment Counsel. His recommended fix is to buy 2 specific low-fee ETFs, both with very long names. 50% of the portfolio would go in the iShares Global Completion Portfolio Builder Fund. The other 50% would go in the iShares Conservative Core Portfolio Builder Funds. These ETFs bring together a bunch of products in a single fund and are actively rebalanced from time to time to maintain what iShares believes is the best allocation among the different asset classes. Once Ian's current nest egg is invested, he can direct each quarterly RRSP payment to the ETF that fared worse during the period. The lower purchase price will help to reduce his adjusted cost base to optimize his tax savings. That is about as low maintenance as it gets. He just needs to continue to save and then go play some more with his kids.